So now let's see how we can work around with split toning effect. So to do that, I'm going to go around under effects right here, and here you can see that split tone is in effect right here. So let me just go around and keep it right here and press OK. So what split toning allows you to do is it allows you to control out the shadows and highlights separately. So over here on the top, you can see the highlights over here. So what you can do is you can go around and choose the highlight color. Let's say, for example, red over here and press OK. And now what happens is that the bright areas are red. Now, what you can also do is you can go around and work around with the shadows. And let's say you want the shadow area to be blue. So you can go around and choose blue and press OK. And now the dark areas are blue. You can go around and change around the saturation of the dark areas and change around the hues as well. So you can go around and change around the highlights that you can see right here by going around and selecting around the hue just like this, or by changing around the shadows as you can see just like this. And that is how you can work around with the split tone. Apart from that, if I were to go around under the effects right here, then you can see that three-way color corrector is an option over here as well. So if I were to go around and click and drag that out, then you got shadows, you got highlights of course, then you got midtones as well. So now what you can do with the shadows is you can pull this out and then drag it out so that the shadows are a certain color. In my case, it is blue as you can see. Let me just go around onto highlights right here, and let's just make it like more yellow as you can see right here, so that the highlights, the bright areas right here are yellow. Then you got the midtones right here, and you can choose a different color for this as you can see right here. So let's just go around and choose a bit of magenta. So now you can see that this is what you have. So mid-tone saturation. So you can go around and change around the saturation right here. Let me just change around the highlight saturation over here just like this, and then go around over here and select out shadow saturation as well. You can go around and change around the black balance as you can see right here by using the color picker as well. So you can see that that is what you have. You can go around and set around the white balance by clicking on the samples over here just like this as well. So over here you can see that I got these three colors right here, and since I'm working around with shadows, midtones and highlights, I got the three-way color correction going on over here just like this. So that is how you can work around with split tone and three-way color correction inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.